Hi, I'm Shivang and I'll be your instructor for this 14-day Python WordCamp course. In this course will be of 14 days long, and in each day we'll be covering different topics. So I'll be going through topics one by one. From day 1 to 2, I'll be covering Intro to Python, and from day 3 to 4, I'll be covering conditional statements. Viewers may please note that in each day I'll be covering various example programs so that the student can do it themselves, and those example programs will be based on the topics I'll be done that day. So from 5 to 6, I'll be covering loops. From day 7 to 8, I'll be covering lists and tuples. And from day 9 to 10, I'll be covering dictionaries. From day 11 to 12, I'll be covering functions. So in 12 days, I'll be covering the most basic and fundamental topics in Python. And in the final 2 days, that is 13 and 14, the student will be given some time to complete a project that will accumulate all the topics. And once the student has made the final project, then there will be a review on that final project. So whether you're dreaming of building your own AI or simply want to sharpen your programming skills, this is the place to be. Enroll now and let's make this summer one to remember.